Let me check it out. I'm checking from my phone and see. Oh yeah, I can see my screen, but it's upside down. The stream is reverse. Yeah, you got to reverse. Okay. Wait, I'm waiting for it to update on my. Oh, there's a delay. There's a delay. Okay, nice. Yeah, but currently you are sharing the screen right now. Can I? Okay, then I'm gonna start sharing now. Hey, it's not bad. It's not bad. But you got to find a way to make the screen bigger because it's not full size. Can. Okay, hold on. Yeah, it's dark. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, can you move your face and my face away? Just like shrink it a bit so that the screen can go fuller in size. Can you change the because like for me I can move the faces around. There's a button. Um okay, now my can you okay, I can't see my screen. You go to my name. Okay, on the top right there, can you see the dot dot dot? Click that. Oh no, no. Uh no, not that. How do I do this? Can you press mm, why is yours different from mine? Yours is slightly different from mine. Um, there's a way that you can actually do it. Oh, you go under video, under bottom left, there's a video button. Bottom left, near your audio. Left, left, left. Oh yeah, because it's a delay. Okay, is there anything that you can press on the video? Blur my background. Wait, how do I do this? Layout. Let me content only as background. What happened? Okay, the full screen is good. I'm just gonna remove your face and my face from there. I'm not sure how because I can do it on my com. I just press a minus button and I hide the thumbnail video and then the two faces are gone. Wait, okay, I got my layout. Um, okay, hold on. You see, I can move the thumbnail like this. And if I want to disappear, I want to make you and disappear, I just press the minus sign and then we are gone. We are like this small area. So I always move the faces down to the bottom right so I can share my whole entire screen. Wait, I just sent to you. I'm doing the recording. Okay, I just sent to you. WhatsApp. Okay, can you see the uh, I I will just try put original size. Hmm. Oh yeah, because there's the delay. Yeah, yeah, better we play with it now. So tomorrow we don't have this kind of problems. It's okay. Okay. Yes. Beautiful. Excellent. Very nice. Okay, let's say if you want to be on screen, how do you do it? We'll try. Mm, mm, understand. Okay. Are you currently viewing YouTube? Okay, because there are two viewers. I'm just wondering whether it's you or somebody else. Okay. Okay. So I can see myself now, but I cannot see you. Can you see whether, hold on, let me check on YouTube. Hold on. Let me see whether I can hear you. Yes. So I can see myself now, but I cannot see you. Can you see whether, hold on, let me check on YouTube. Hold on. Let me see whether I can hear you. Okay, I noticed the stream. I can only hear my voice. I cannot hear your voice. I can see myself now, but I cannot see you. Yeah. So we got to find a way to see how your voice can appear on the YouTube, because I can hear myself only. I can't hear you.
111 111. But now it's that's a Zoom live. Hold on, that's a. Can you hear me? Now I think now.
Yeah.
You hear me?
What? Yeah, can hear you now. Good job, man.
Okay. So I know
If
what's the
not,
issue.
if not on YouTube, I will appear like I'm talking to myself.
Okay.
Okay, can. So now we just leave it as such. Now the next thing is, how do I put your face over here?
I can put my face. Depends where you want my face. I mean, or it can come from my camera and I can add a box.
If you can add to the bottom right, it will be good. Like you say, I'm on the bottom left. If you can add your face to the bottom right, it will be excellent.
But why you need my face then?
I think it's okay because number one, we can try. Now well, if we cannot do it now, it's fine. sound. Let me screen through the charts very quickly.
You guys hear me? Someone there?
Sound. Let me screen through the charts very quickly.
No, I hear you from Zoom. You guys hear me?
Okay. No, yeah.
Okay. Hear someone there?
Okay, nice. Are we good? Okay, so let's go through iron. Iron is very easy. We're expecting the iron to push up, okay? To push up. I bit it's a bit laggy. Hold on. Let me close and open again. Yeah. Okay, can you see my screen? Okay, you can see my screen. Okay, so iron is easy. We're expecting the move to go up like this, push down, push up, push down, push up, and all the way back to the all-time high, and not all-time high, to test the previous high, which is about 73, okay? So yeah, it's okay. You ready? AMD is just going to continue pushing up. We don't have a chance to get in for now. Let me see if I can get in on the smaller time frame. Yeah, we'll come back to that in a while. I'll go through very quickly, okay? Just have a look, huh? So IBIT currently it's channel against channel. It's on the way down. It's nice. So we want IBIT to come towards the bottom, and then it's a possible chance to get a cash secure puts towards the bottom of the channel. AMD is just going to start pushing up very slowly. Let me see if there's any entries. This is APLD. APLD now it's in no man's land, so we're not going to touch it. I think Rocket Lab, the minute it came out of the range, it's pushing up, so nothing to touch. Luna is just breaking, just basically bull flag, and it's just pushing up. So I think the next is a correction and then a push up like this. Okay, so I think Luna is just one of those stocks that is we're just waiting for it to correct. There's nothing much we can do right now on Luna or for the wheel strategy. ASTS as well. Channel against channel, very nice. It broke out of the channel impulsively, so there goes ASTS. Ondas is channel against channel, but now it pushed up, pushed down, so let it recover. BMNR the same. It broke out of the channel. It's slowly making another climb. It's slowly making another climb. So BMNR still now it's coming back into a channel. It's moving back in the channel, which is a control movement. So you probably can do the wheel strategy on BMNR once they make another channel out of this channel, okay? So we gotta wait for a while. QBTS is making correction. It's in a long, 2 day. Let me check. I think that would be the question everybody was wondering. I think QBTS is something that we can take moving forward, okay? Not now. So if QBTS comes down, then this might be an area that we can take. Yeah. Once overshoot, then we stay out of it. So Oklo, I'll go one by one. Yeah. Oklo has got one channel, and not yet. Hood also, it shot out, shot down. It's currently into 2 channels right now, but it's still in a range, but this is a very small range. But as I mentioned, it's got potential to come lower. It might drop a bit lower. It has range to the bottom. So it's a bit tricky for now. Not the best scenario. I mean, you can take it over here. Example, if food comes down to about 70, then doing a cash secure put below that is not such a bad idea. Okay. But I would wait for hood. Yeah, because we don't know where the bottom is. I think Rocket, I don't think we want to go into Rocket. Rocket is also channel within a channel. But as mentioned, Rocket is still, it's not very bullish. So it's more of like a up, down, then channel against channel. So we're at the bottom of the range. I mean, it's quite safe, but if I'm not mistaken, Rocket doesn't really pay very well. So let's look at SPY. Hold on. So currently SPY is pushing up. It gapped up. SPY is beginning to range. So as I mentioned last week, I think SPY is starting to slow down. Okay, so I'm expecting SPY to slow down a bit on the movement. Tesla is nice, as already mentioned last week. Tesla is a channel against channel. Okay, so Tesla with the bottom of the channel slowly pushing up. We're expecting price to go up from here. That's easy. Amazon is just trading, it's making higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so SoFi, SoFi it's okay. And I mean, for the wheel strategy is nothing special right now. It still looks like it might go down. Even this move going up is like a fake out, and the sellers are pushing the price back down. My buyers, 70% the price will come down here, and probably try to break this low here about 15, go down to be about 1450 to 14 before it starts going up. This is my bias. This will probably happen like 60-65% of the time. Tesla, okay, we already done this. That's easy. Apple, it's very slowly but surely pushing up right now. It's not for us to get in, so we're not going to touch that. TQQQ as well, just trending up. All these are like the cup and handle, just so you know, like cup and the handle. So we shall. Is there anybody in the YouTube? Nobody. Okay, just watch. Does anybody in the YouTube's any live chats or what? Just okay. Just let me know. Any stock they want to they want us to map or anything. Yeah, Google is just consolidating a bit. NVIDIA is just making a small bull flag pattern. Okay. So if it breaks up, then most likely we are expecting the move to go up on NVIDIA. IWM, this was the bounce. Could have gone down, but this is the last line of defense. Decided to push back up. So yeah. Meta is just sideways. Pure consolidation in the range right now. This correction by time. Microsoft, same thing as well. Correction by time. Nothing much you can do. Oracle is trying to make a move. Let me see if there's anything on Oracle. Push down, push up. Oracle is slowly starting to make a move. Yeah, so it's like slowly trying to push up. So, but Oracle is a bit expensive if you want to do the cash secure puts. Uh, hold on. Okay, Oracle. Sorry. Palantir is still trending down. It's still trending down for Palantir. Palantir's demand zone, the solid, is a very big range. But Palantir is still a very strong stock. So it's just a matter of how long would it want to go down before it would start going up. Uh, yeah, the main thing now, I think it's going to start making lower lows, and you'll find a point before it will start pushing back up. So apparently, we're just waiting for price to correct a bit more, push down, and when there is a news, some strong fundamentals to back up with the zone on the technical side, I am expecting Palantir to start making a move to the upside. That would be the bias for Palantir. Okay. So let me see. TMQ. TMQ was nice, as I mentioned, for what is this? A cash secure put. Could have gotten one very nice around this price, but it's a cheap stock. So never mind, forget about it. Oklo is just one channel right now. APLD is slowly just pushing up. Nothing much you can do. Luna is just shooting up right now. QBTS, we're looking for a move back down. If it comes back down, it retraces to around 22, around 20, 21 to 23. Very good opportunity to get in. Zeta, as I mentioned, it goes up fast, it comes down fast because it's in the triangle. So it's just probably going to play within this range, and still time to play within this range, like maybe couple of weeks to a couple of months. Tesla TSL is simple, just pushing up. IONQ currently is coming back down. SMCI, HIMS, nothing much right now. Just one channel. That's about it. RDW is pushing up. It broke out from the triangle. Once it broke out from the triangle, it's parabolic towards the upside. So we got to let RDW settle down first and see what happens. USAR, big triangle, same thing. CIFR. CIFR is nice. I think, oh, CIFR. We took it very nice. So this was last week. If CIFR gets back down to this price, I think you can look about 20, 21, you can start getting in again. I think this is the so far and the range is getting bigger, so it's nice. So CIFR is still a stable stock, as in for our strategy. Yeah, so I think the only stock you actually have, hold on now. MSTR. I drew this before. It broke out of the channel, it's coming back. Mm, nothing much for the wheel. Push down, push down. Nothing much for the wheel. Too impulsive. I think only CIFR is nice. Tesla is nice. Iron is nice. Okay, if you want long term, you want long term for master strategy. Hold on now. If you really want to go long on master strategy, this is the solid demand area. As long as price does not trade below 100, like 100 is like the bottom of the price right down here. If it doesn't go below 100 and 2.4 or 100, 101, if it doesn't go below 101, which it did not go, so currently it's a very good area for a buy. Let's see if we can find any. It's just it broke out of the channel very impulsively. See, channel broke out impulsive, then it starts its move. Just like one correction, one, two, one, two, A, B, C, four, five. It's a bit tricky, lah. Can't really tell you where to. I mean, we are in the whole zone, but the zone is quite big. It's like the bottom is like 101 versus now 162. It has got the potential to go back up and test all-time high, but it's just currently in a bad spot right now. It's in a bad spot right now for you to get in. Yeah, because this looks like a very weak support, which the price is trying to break below this and then probably find an area like this, a resistance becomes support before starting to head back up, because many people are buying using this as a stop loss below. So what would most likely be the case is the price will come down, the stop losses will be taken out, finds the resistance, becomes support, and starts to push back up. So I think for master strategy, you got to wait for a while. Yeah, there's only CIFR that is nice this week. Iron is nice. IBIT, if it drops a bit more, then it'll be nice. Let me see if I have a chance to get in on this. So AMD, let me try AMD. I was watching AMD. Hope I didn't miss it. Okay, so it pushes down, it pushes back up, pushes down, pushes back up. So if this is AMD, um, how many more minutes? 3 minutes. Okay, let me check if I can get in on AMD. Crazy, crazy. Yeah, actually, it's quite a waste. This is pushing back out, pushing back in. Okay, nice. Pushing back out to the stop. Okay. So we've got push down, extreme, push back up, push back down, push back up. This is AMD. Let me see if we can get a scalp. Oh, AMD is expensive, man. Is there another ticker for AMD? What is it? AMDL, I think. Oh no, but the bid and ask is ridiculous. That's lousy. Yeah, it's hard to get in on AMD. It's too expensive for a scalp. Yeah, can forget about AMD. Okay, hold on. Let me see if there's anything at all to scalp today. INFQ. Hold on now. This is 3 minutes. AMD is a bit harder to get in. Hold on. Never mind. I'll let you use. I just want to see if I can get in a scalp today. Mm. I think IWM has got a chance for a scalp today. Let me see if I can get a nice setup and can get IWM in yet. Mm. AMD is nice. AMD is going to start pushing up. It's just too expensive to get in. Hold on. Yeah, STS 121. STS was trading in the channel for a long time. Yeah, then this was nice. We were hoping for it to come down. No, it decided to break out, and I think that's about it. STS is just, yeah, yes, on this is pushing up. Oh yeah, okay, that we might be able to get in on this for a scalp. So it pushes down. Yeah, See if I can get in on this. On this is 986 right now. Hold on. This one. I gotta see how to do this. 3 times 4 will be about 10. And it's nice. 10 times 2 is 20. Okay, let's see if I can get in on this. On this is cheap. Where's on this full range right now? Nice. On this got a very good range. Oh yeah, it's slow to see on this. Hope on this comes back a bit more that lower. Let's give you a nice surprise. What's the market price for on this? About 20 bucks. Three times 15. Okay. Okay, I'm in on this. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. On this got good range. On this got good range. I'll put one up here. I'll put one more down here. On this is easy. Yeah. I was slow a bit. I wanted to enter at this price here. This would be a good price. This would be a better price here. Okay. What you got today? So, okay. Hold on. No, not for the wheel. For wheel, it's only CIFR. You just gotta wait for it to come a bit lower. Mm. Give me a while. Give me a while. I cannot multitask while trying to scalp and trying to. No, no, no worries. STS. ASTS also. ASTS is still pushing up. It might just push up even more. I will wait for it to come down here. Okay. On this 11.5. On this 11.5 is here, it's fine. Okay, come, let's look at the stocks. Okay, you were saying what price again? What stocks again? Okay, let me see. INFQ. Let me move this away, out, out. 12 hours. Not too much of a bullish stock though. It started year 10, went up to 20 something, over expanded, then it's just in a downtrend. Now it's sideways, so more like a if you're going on this based on fundamentals, then it's fine because basically essentially what you're looking for is a breakout. It's breakout to the upside. So you're looking for this breakout to the upside. But this is more of a speculative thing, just purely based on fundamentals, not so much on technicals. Technicals, this stock doesn't show any bullish sentiment yet. Um, so on my part, it looks a bit more risky. Oh, this is good. It's pushing up. Nice. Well, so on what do you call that? It looks more risky. INFQ. What other stocks you want me to have a look at? Nothing's really red though. IONQ was nice. It pushed up and that's it. What other stocks, huh? Okay. Anders is easy scalp, easy money. I'm up 23% already. Yeah. I, I'm just gonna let it run. And this is the trend following one, so I don't really bother. I'll just let it go accordingly. And then I will take profit once I see the market start slowing down. That's the beauty of this technique. I don't have to monitor too much. I was trying to get in for another position. I wanted to take two, but I was hoping that it would drop inside where I marked this line, and then I could enter one more contract for it to push up because this was a very easy trade, very easy trade. Yeah. But anyways, JD, what is stock? This is Chinese stock, huh? It's got nice, but dude, there's nothing on the cash secure puts, lah, dude, because all the stocks are more or less pushing up. Even the red stocks are not exactly like. Hold on, let me check. The red stocks are not really red, you know. The INFQ, no, QBTX. I think we've seen this before, right? QBTX. Where's the QBTX? QBTS. Okay, come, wait, let me check. Yeah, so there is there's nothing for us to take on our real strategy. Then the next one would be QBTX. Wait, QBTS. Let me see QBTX. QBTX. Same thing. QBTX TX is more of a bearish stock, so we don't take this. Yes. Hold on, let me have a look at SoFi. QS. Oh, bearish stock. Don't waste time. QS, IBM. I do IBM. Okay, then we find for RGTI. RGTI. Okay, RGTI is fine. 1, 2, A, B. Let me see if there's any opportunity. This one we might have something. Oh, it's broken to the upside. If it starts coming back down on RGTI and comes towards this, then this opportunity to get in. But if it starts pushing up from here, and then it's a bit difficult to get in. QUBT, QUBT. Yeah, this is a very dangerous stock. It's like a heartbeat. Yeah, it started so high, crashed. QUBT is out. Don't waste your time. QBTS, we already went through. IONQ. Did we go to IONQ? INQ is okay. It's a good stock. Let's see if there's another. Might have an opportunity like this. Now it's one channel. Now it's breaking out of another channel like this. Yeah, it's not great. Okay, where? Which one? Which one you took? SoFi. SoFi got. It's okay. I mean, not the nicest, but it's fine. You're still within range. And anyway, so far you wanted to hold the stock, so it's good. It's okay. I mean, technically it's okay lah if you want to do that because um so far currently it's still channel against channel against channel. So it's the movement is nice. It's a very controlled movement. Although it opened up very strong today to the upside, but still it rejects. So we don't know how this one would play out. We really cannot tell because might have a chance to go low one more time. But if it doesn't go low, then it might start going up here, or you might start going to the channel and pushing it back up. It's okay. SPY currently, this is the last line of defense. Remember I drew here. So the minute this one bounced, then it's within this range. So once it broke up, then it bounced and it went up. So currently SPY, it should be starting to exhaust. However, can you see a very, very strong pattern here? So you have a cup and we have a handle here. So cup and handle patterns are one of the strongest, most powerful patterns. So now currently SPY is in the range, okay? SPY is currently deciding, do we start pushing up strong or do we just go sideways before it crashes? So currently they are currently deciding, but if SPY breaks out hard, then this might be another move. And we'll try to measure the move from here up to here. So we're expecting the price to go up about 770. If it starts pushing up strong, SPY can go up to 770. So you got to see how this one plays out. So currently it's sideways. So you wouldn't really know until this. Got to see what happens now. Spy doesn't want to give up, man. Yeah. We took SoFi today is nice. It's pushing up. Good, good, good. I think it's a good call. You got 10%. How much? How much you made? 10%? Very good. Very good. I think that's you took it today and you sold it today. Excellent, excellent. You genius, man. Absolutely genius. What others do you take? Terima kasih. Sama-sama. I didn't do anything. For SoFi, I think it's more on you taking for it's more on you being aggressive. Yeah. Because the SoFi's down move mm, very good. Because you made this purely on yourself because you were aggressive. Yeah, I ran so you entered mostly based on fundamentals. Yes. Yeah. On this, you recommended him because it's cheap. Mm. But next time, if you recommend, try to go for the wheel strategy one. Because see, like last week, CIFR, it stalled, remember, because it overshot. So we don't look at on this for time being. Because this was the last. No, we don't look long term like this. Because Ondas was very good. It was very good all the way, okay, from this side all the way until here, until it broke out. Okay. The minute it broke out, it did not break out in the channel. So the wheel strategy, we try to go in a controlled movement. So if once it breaks out like this, and if we were to enter cash secure puts on the upper side, and this is what might happen. So we try to avoid up down kind of move. So currently it's in the whole range right now. You took it at the bottom of the range because it's cheap, which is fine. But if you have to, if example, if it's us, if I have the opportunity to buy on this on the way down without a channel versus buying IREN on the channel, I will take IREN any time of the day because I know it's a control movement. So the likelihood of the price going up is higher and the likelihood of the price not shooting down is also higher. So you just have to keep in mind that sometimes when you take the stocks, the technicals must favor you, not just the price of it being cheap. So if you have both, then it's a win-win. If you have one without the other, then it's 50-50. Like on the SoFi, on this is okay. Yeah, sorry, SoFi is okay because SoFi is at the right at the bottom of the range and it's got two channels right now, so it's still fine. But on this currently has broken, it has broken up and broken down. So we gotta let it settle down first before we want to get in on the cash secure puts. That would be that would be a safer approach. Excellent. Very nice. Excellent. The I think easy money. The the only thing is this week it's going to be tough to do the wheel strategy because everything is all on the higher side. So if you well, I User, same thing. It was very nice. Channel against the channel. Probably broke out the channel very impulsively. Then he climbed back up. So user, we are expecting user to start going back up. But the only problem is it's slightly a bit risky because it broke out the channel sharp. However, it came back into the it broke out and came back in. So the plus point is okay. Let me redraw this again. Because if we are lucky, and that means we might actually have a good opportunity to get in on user. So now dynamics have changed a bit, okay? Dynamics have changed a bit. So let me see if I can fit it in. Yes, it's still fine. I think USAR at this point, we are in the middle of the range. If so, anything below 25, it's a good price. If USAR comes back lower, get in, man. This is the best case scenario. So if USAR comes back to 22, get in. If not, we can get one at like 25 here or even 24. And if it comes down, you can average down. Solely on the wheel. Solely on the wheel. And currently it's in a very big triangle, similar like RDW, it's like this. Okay. Suddenly it's like this. So if the fundamentals of this stock is strong, there is a very little chance that it will break down. Okay. It will most probably act like what RDW happened. That what happened to RDW? Like RDW had a triangle and then it pushed up. So RDW's triangles like this. And it broke up. So USA has the same potential when it nears to the top. And it will try to hit back to the top. So currently, I think USA can be on our list as well for this week. Yeah, because channel against the channel, beautiful. But this is a bit more tricky. That's why I like to draw the charts every week, draw new ones. Because you see, you have to readjust sometimes. If I did not readjust, I wouldn't have been able to catch this. Yeah. So USA is something that we can look at. RGTI is something as well if it comes back lower. IONQ as well if it comes back lower. So we have 3 stocks that we can play with this week so far. Let me see if I can get any other stocks or not. As I said, Zeta is just a bit risky, okay? Energy fuels, channel against channel, broke the down channel. This is where we have to stay out of the way for a while. It needs to cool down first. Not to say we cannot get in, but once it breaks down like this, it's a bit more impulsive, but it's still a channel, but a very, very sharp channel. Very good. Let me check. Hey, no worries, man. No issue at all. No worries, man. Small thing. The only problem. No worries, man. Help each other. Yeah, the only thing with BMNR is this big drop that I don't like. So when this big drop came and then now it's climbing up slowly, this can be a correction for it to go to the downside. So I will not do any more cash secure puts for BMNR for now. But if you have those, please do cover calls because it's easy money, man. It's easy money on the cover calls. Yeah, because BMNR is easy. It's really easy for yeah. Yeah. And I think TSLL, I think this is the other good one. I think yeah, so we've got 4 this week, okay? We've got wait, let me see if iron still qualifies. Yeah. So Iron qualifies. Cypher, very nice. You see, it went up to the top of the channel. Did you close this already, Cypher? Very good. Easy money, Dylan. Really easy money. So Cypher, you there's another opportunity for Cypher right now, which you should watch out for it. Okay. So it's at the top of the range right now in the channel against channel. It's respecting this channel. So very high chance the price will come back down around this area. Okay, and then start to go back up for one more move. This is easy money, it's free money. Like this. It's free money for you. Because the support become resistance is here. So this is a very, very strong area at 20. 20 is going to be a very strong support area. So there's a very strong chance that price will come down and shoot back up. So this is easy money for you. Okay, so MP it's broken up strong. So there's no more channel against channel. If anybody took it, did you take this on the real account? No, right? MP? Can. Can. Just check for all the profits. I'd like to see how many percent in percentage, okay, of all the four that we're actually making right now. Let me check on this. On this is pushing down a bit. See if you this one. I need on this to go back higher a bit. Just bring that down. Yes, was actually easy money on this on the scalp. I couldn't get in on time. Nice. We have a few stocks. Nice, it's fine. Oh, Compass CMPX is 2.1, 2.11 now. They had news. The positive news last week. So people are starting to pick up pick up the stock. Which one? Yeah. How many percent for each and every one of them? Oh, easy money. Easy. It's easy money, man. It's crazy. Like last week was easy, Last week was they had like three or four. They didn't have many, but they were at the right location at the right time. So I mean, join the VIP channel, guys. Whoever's watching this stream right now, it's like it's easy money. It's free money on the table, man. Yeah. Hey, come, let's do it. Let's do the recording then, just in case I want to head off earlier a bit. Is there anybody on the stream in the first place? Trading views lagging. Is a matchmaker. Is Yeah, I know. It's okay, it's fine because you can combine these two. After all, it's cash secure puts, you're not scalping, you know. Scalping you need pure technicals because it's in and out. But if you're doing cash secure puts, it's fine. Yeah, Onda is coming back down. Yeah, we'll break even now. Let's see if this one pushes up again. Do something. Oh, there's a support level here that it cannot break. Easy. I think the cover calls will be yeah, it's okay. It's quite steady. Now just give me 5 more minutes, then we can record the video. I mean, my com now it's too laggy. I'm not sure whether I can record it. Now. Mm. I will just start with spy. I'll start. Yeah, can can. I will let me check if it's laggy, you know. Okay, I'm gonna use your account. Your account seems faster. Look at this, man. It's easy money for just now. AMD. Yeah, I had the scalping swing scalp. It's easy money, that one. Just that it's just too expensive. And it came down. It came down very briefly, like here, and then it came back here. We can easily get in here. Easily. And then it's just gonna slowly push up, most likely. So yeah. Ondas is slowly pushing down. Let's see how this one goes. It should push up. Just a matter of time before it makes one more move. Hopefully it don't get too low before it pushes up. Yeah, hope it just pushes up right now. Don't need to go so low. Okay, I'm gonna do spy, okay? Easy, easy. Spy is easy. No, no, I'll do the recording. I'm gonna talk on spy first. Okay. I will try. I'll try because I know my marketing is shit when I try to speak. So I'm just gonna go natural. I'm just gonna talk about the some of the tickets. Oh, okay, Ken. All right, come. Have you? Mm, Ken. Yeah, I think so. Ken. We can do daily. I mean, like I will just because everybody looks at SPY, QQQ, so Tesla the main tickers. So I will pay attention to them on a daily, shorter time frame basis. Like SPY is easy. Can it's not an issue. So yeah, this was the one that I drew last week. Okay, can I go? Hold on, just let me get some tea.